然不会难离。虽然是公主家庭，犹原看着山顶草，凄凄看着残荷水滴，是这样的水。远远是望游大海，看住天边海角离来，故乡的情景我已经不知。徛伫这个所在啊，这是我的将来，这是我今生所爱，感谢上帝安排。咿呀嘿，为我的台湾啊，虎腾大虎的不愿走，为我的台湾是生是死不回头，为着公义和平，万万请做上帝主人，永远怀抱使命。上帝国度来临，祈求上帝国度来临。那是我一生用尽，我也落地生根。心衰的台湾啊，我的红颜，我的理想。
多谢文老师，多谢哦 ，Thank you so much。这老师可能捌教过像阮教的遮歹教的学生啊。
Perhaps our church people are hard students for her。
因为拄啊台顶哦，因为大家拢有化妆，你看袂出来吼，一半以上拢超过80岁啊。
Because half of our performers are more than 80 years old。
所以你莫讲你伤老吼，还阁会当上台演出啊。
So don't say that you are too old, that you can still be performing here.
啊，先啊，阮大做先集团，就是阮有一个月下姊妹。
And how can we make this happen? Because we have月霞。
伊就去招啦。
And she has been like inviting people.
因为伊本身过去就是伫这个咱爱文大学教会。
And then for like 12, 13 years, she has been worshiping here at this church.
阮下早要来路顶去宣布，牧师就是伫遮啦，我就是伫遮甲人相弄。
And then she told me that I had a terrible accident here.
弄一个真严重。
And then it was so severe.
甚至医生讲，可能伊会失去足侪记忆，抑阁讲话的能力。
The doctor has declared that she may lose permanently certain memories and speech capabilities.
伤到伊的脑。
he heard her brain was hurt.
结果因为爱台湾，伊来参加这个歌戏。
And then because she has this great love for Taiwanese culture, so she joined the Taiwanese opera class.
伊讲伊唱歌戏了，变做一种福建。
And then she said that the singing Taiwanese opera becomes part of her rehabilitation.
伊安尼一直听，训练伊的记忆，啊，伊的讲话慢慢，真紧全恢复医生带一条。
She listened over and over and over, and that is a way to train her memory, and then she regained a lot of capability of speech. The doctors were amazed.
我讲这个小小的故事，就是讲，身体连一个车祸的背后，买当有另外一个伪装的祝福。
And then what I'm saying is that even though behind a severe accident, and there is a blessing in disguise.
所以，亲爱朋友，咱来做勇敢的台湾人，唔通怨叹。
And therefore, brothers and sisters, let's be courageous Taiwanese. Do not complain.
卖个讲你歹命，
And don't say that your life is miserable.
较有志气的，就讲我上好命。
Be courageous and then say that my life is a blessed one.
我记着这个翁，娶着这个某，真正有够的啦！上帝看我有气啊，日到要死去安尼啦，好，安尼好。上帝安尼你熬，你看我有气，好，安尼我讲一声我好命。
Marry this spouse is evidence that God actually considered me worthy. So to train me with this spouse, so I want to say to God, yes, my life is an amazing one. It's a blessed one.
咱是一场戏，
We are like in a play.
无论好歹，咱都来做完这场戏。
God's good and bad. Let's walk through the course faithfully.
只有等一件代志，
And there's only one thing.
演煞的时阵，上帝宣布你的名，请你上台来得到你的赏赐。
And there's one thing that after you run the course, when God pronounced your name, asking you to come down the stage and receive the award.
不过要提赏赐进前，要拜托大家合作，甲阮填一个问卷。
But then before you receive the award, would you please fill out the survey?
因为今日咱唔是干那一个演出了吼，我请警官长老将你问章安传落去吼。
Today is not just a pure performance.
因为这是阮教会一个长老，伊用福音歌戏，伊要写伊博士的论文。
Yeah, so this is Elder Timmy. That his doctor's dissertation is about Taiwanese opera, so he needs your help.
我知影今日有足侪教授伫遮，
I know there are a lot of professors present.
但是应该也毋捌有人讲用福音歌戏要写论文。
Perhaps it's unprecedented that people write their doctoral dissertation with
所以你若愿意的人，
opera.
等下吼，甲阮填阮的回应表，这是伊的论文要用的资料。
So please, we need your help by filling out the survey to help out his dissertation.
阮的教会即马也有咧建堂的准备。
And our church that we are also starting the building project.
阮想要起一个宿舍，互台湾的囡仔来美国受造就。
Now, as a part of the building project is the dormitory, so the kids from Taiwan can come and then experience the United States there.
这几年中间，阮拢组织这个福音队、服务队，登去台湾去偏僻的所在教英文。
All these years that we have organized children mission team to the rural area of Taiwan to teach the children there English.
我捌带一个队伍是洛杉矶，一个美国人的教会带5个美国人，爱用2个妈妈带，甲阮登去台湾做篮球的一个夏令营。
And I myself also once led about 5 children, American children, with 2 mothers from LA area to go to Taiwan for the basketball ministry.
阮去屏东办一个篮球营，
That we went to Pindong to hold a basketball camp.
我去了才发现讲，这几个美国囡仔，因是无啥会晓拍篮球。
Now those American kids actually they are not very good in basketball.
我想我打一声失败啊，
And I said that what a failure of the ministry.
结果是大成功。
As a matter of fact, it came out to be a great success.
因为迄屏东的囡仔毋捌甲外国人拍过篮球，
Because kids in Pindong, they never play basketball against the kids from the United
因
States.
甲我问讲，教练，阮敢会当组一队甲因比赛？
And then they asked me that can we organize a team to compete with them?
我来问看觅，
Now I said, okay, I'll ask them.
我就去问外国人讲，要无？
So I asked this American kid, they want to play
你就
against
啥美
you.
国人是惊你毋甲伊比尔啊？当然嘛要。
The American kid will never say no.
结果什么人赢？
Do you know who won?
啊？ 屏东赢。
Pindong kids win.
迄囡仔欢喜甲讲
And they were
哦，
so overjoyed.
咱的国家队拍美国拍袂赢，阮屏东囡仔拍美国队拍较赢。
And then they were so happy that our national team cannot compete with the United States, but that the Pindong kids actually are capable.
然后迄两个爸母传奇的爸母讲，恁遮物件咱遮俗啊，信用卡摕出来，一直咧路卡买足侪物件啦。
And then 2 of the chaperone parents found out that how cheap the Taiwan, the cost for things in Taiwan is.
所以真欢喜，而且囡仔吼输无要紧，因为遐囡仔吼，查某囡仔拢毋捌甲外国人翕相讲，我哪甲你翕相无？吼，这美国囡仔每次都感觉看咱电影名册，所以吼双边拢欢喜，你知无？
American kids lost their ball game, but they got an opportunity to take pictures with a lot of girls from Taiwan. Both are winners.
我想咱台湾人伫美国，咱有一个使命，咱来甲美国甲台湾的文化较真交流。
And I think that we here, we Taiwanese in the United States, we have this mission that we should connect the culture between the United States and in Taiwan.
所以讲教会这几年拢有邀请台湾囡仔吼，一份邀请是30个，拢毋捌来过美国的，来美国带来阮的会友引导。我嘛讲将来阮的教会建堂有一个款待中心，专门来款待这台湾来的囡仔。
Therefore, over the years that we invited the students from Taiwan, from rural area, then to come here and then stay in our brothers and sisters' house so that they can experience the culture here.
所以你若讲我赞助一个翻译，你话哪会当甲阮奉献吼，写阮的教会 TLC 为阮的建堂来奉献。
So if you are touched, your heart is touched to support this building project, in building the dormitory, that you can write a check titled the TLC for this project.
咱最后有一个摸彩吼，咱伫最后这个部分之前，咱做伙来祈祷。
Now, before our prize drawing, let's pray.
我邀请大家，你今仔日敢有想到讲，上帝派你来世间，上帝让你做一个台湾人，